Welcome to mathematics class, trigonometric ratios up to transformations, part 21. Let us solve some important long answer type questions from the exercise. Very important questions from exercise 6F. If ABC are angles in a triangle, then prove that the first bit sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. Second, sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c 4 cos a cos b sin c. Sin 2a minus sin 2b plus sin 2c 4 cos a sin b cos c. Almost all are similar. So I want to prove all the questions at a time so that it will be very easy for you to identify the difference between them. Now let us take up first one. First bit, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c, sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c. We have to prove 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. Now, let us take left hand side. Sin 2a, sin 2b, sin 2c. Now let us take first two terms by using sin c. Sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So using this formula, this relation, here 2 sin c plus d by 2. Here c is 2a plus 2b by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Here c is 2a, d is 2b. So 2a minus 2b, 2a minus 2b by 2. So sum of these first two terms and sum we are converting it into product, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus third sin 2c. Okay, let us write as it is. First two terms we are converting by using sin c plus sin d as 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 sin 2a, 2b, taking 2 common and cancelling 2 into a plus b by 2. Here also 2 into a minus b by 2. I am taking 2 common, and sin 2c as 2 sin c cos c. 2 sin c cos c. Since sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, by using this relation, this formula, so sine 2c can be written as 2 sine c cos c. Now 2 will get cancelled. This is equal to 2 sine a plus b cos a minus b plus 2 sine c cos c. Since the condition is ABC are angles in a triangle. Now ABC are angles in a triangle. So sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So sum of the angles in a triangle are 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. And A plus B is equal to 180 minus C if you take C right side. Now taking sine both sides, take sine both sides, sine A plus B is equal to sine 180 minus C. So sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So this becomes sine C. Now writing sine A plus B as sine C, changing this one, sine A plus, in place of sine A plus B, sine A plus B becomes sine C, and remaining as it is, no change in remaining terms. So write as it is. Only we are writing sine C in place of sine A plus B. Now taking 2 sine C common from these two terms, taking 2 sine C common. So 2 sine C, taking common 2 sine C. So in first term cos A minus B will remain, cos A minus B. Here cos C, 2 sine C taking common, cos C. Again cos C can be written as, in terms of A plus B. So same convert, A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So A plus B, if you take A plus B right side, C is equal to 180 minus A plus B. I am taking A plus B together. Taking cos both sides, cos C is equal to cos 180 minus A plus B. So cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Here minus cos A plus B. 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. So this is in second quadrant. So cos is minus. So cos C is equal to minus cos A plus B. So above, write minus cos A plus B in place of cos C. Now this one 2 sin C as it is, and cos A minus B as it is. So plus in place of cos C, write minus cos A plus B. Now cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Sin C. So we know cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. You can see, if you don't remember this formula also, you can check it with the right hand side answer. The answer is 4 sin A sin B sin C. Answer, we have to get 4 sin A sin B sin C. Here 2 sin C is already there. So inside bracket, it should be 2 sin A sin B, so that it becomes 4 sin A sin B sin C. So if you forgotten what is this value, even though you can verify with right side answer. So cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, already we have this formula. Though sum and difference of these two will be 2 sin A sin B. If you forgotten in exam, even though you can check with the right side answer. So 2 into 2, 4. I am writing sin A first, sin B and sin C in an order. So this is the required right hand side answer. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Now let us take the second bit. Let us take the second bit. It is also A plus B plus C is 180 degrees, as ABC are angles in a triangle. Then prove that sin 2A sin 2B minus sin 2C. Sin 2A sin 2B minus sin 2C. Only minus is in previous problem, plus only minus is there. It is the difference between first and second, only minus. The right side should be 4 cos A cos B sin C. 4 cos A cos B sin C. If you take plus, we get 4 sin A sin B sin C. If you, in place of plus, if you take minus, it becomes 4 cos A cos B sin C. Very small change. Now let us take LHS and proceed as it is. Using cos C plus cos D, first two terms use cos C plus cos D formula, sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Same as the above problem. So this becomes 2 sin C plus D by 2. Same 2A plus 2B by 2 cos 2A minus 2B by 2 minus sin 2C. Almost same, no change. So sin, taking 2 common, A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2, and writing sin 2C as 2 sin C cos C. 2 will get cancelled. So this becomes 2 sin A plus B cos A minus B minus 2 sin C cos C. So there is no change. Almost it is similar to the previous problem. So sin A plus B, in place of sin A plus B, sin A plus B is sin 180 minus C, that is sin C. So writing sin C in place of sin A minus B, A plus B. So this becomes 2 sin C. I am writing sin A plus B is 2 sin C, remaining same. So this 2 sin C cos C. Taking 2 sin C common. No change up to this, everything is same. So taking 2 sin C common, cos A minus B minus cos C. In previous problem, it is plus cos C. Now it is minus cos C. Only this minus is difference. Minus అనేది మాత్రమే తేడా ఉంది. Remaining is same. Now cos C is equal to cos 180 minus A plus B, that is equal to minus cos A plus B. This is also same. ఇంతకుముందు ఓన్లీ మైనస్ అనేది ఇక్కడ తేడా ఉంది. సో sin C cos A minus B minus cos C ప్లేస్లో మైనస్ cos A plus B అనేది రాస్తే this minus into minus becomes plus. So 2 sin C, this is cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Almost similar to the previous problem. Now in previous it is difference, now it is sum of these two, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. This is 2 cos A cos B. In previous problem it was difference, so it is 2 sin A sin B. Here it is 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. You should remember. So this is 2 cos A cos B, cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. If you don't know, you can check the right side answer. 4 cos A cos B sin C. So already 2 sin C is there. The inside bracket it should be 2 cos A cos B. If you don't remember this one, you can check it, you can verify with the right side. But you should remember all the formulae, then it will be easy for you. So this is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Write A angle, B angle, C angle. So cos A, cos B, cos A, cos B and sin C. So this is the required right hand side. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved. Now let us take up third bit also. So sin 2A minus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Sin 2A, your second term is minus sin 2B plus Sin 2c. If you take second term as minus, the answer becomes 4 cos A sin B cos C. 4 cos A sin B cos C. Almost all similar, all the 3 bits are similar, only just minus, if you change minus. Now you take these 2, sin C minus sin D. Let us apply sin C minus sin D formula. Sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So this is sin C minus sin D. Previous we applied sin C plus sin D. C plus D ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ముందు sin వస్తుంది, తర్వాత cos వస్తుంది. మైనస్ ఉంటే ఫస్ట్ cos వస్తుంది, తర్వాత sin. This is the difference you should remember. Now applying this formula. So 2 cos C plus D by 2, that is 2A plus 2B by 2 sin 2A minus 2B by 2, and the last write as it is sin 2C. Now same, take 2 common, it becomes 2 into A plus B by 2. This is 2 into A minus B by 2. This is sin 2C as it is. You can change it in next step. Now you can cancel 2, 2. This is 2 cos A plus B sin A minus B. So this you can write 2 sin C and cos C. 2 sin C cos C. Now cos A plus B, cos A plus B is equal to cos 180 minus C. A plus B plus C is 180. So A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, taking cos both sides. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So writing minus cos C in place of cos A plus B. So this is equal to 2 into minus cos C into sin A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. 2 cos C, 2 cos C. Taking 2 cos C common, taking this 2 cos C common, 2 cos C minus sin A minus B will remain, minus sin A minus B, and 2 cos C is sin C will remain. Again converting sin C into A plus B, sin C can be written as sin 180 minus A plus B. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So writing sin A plus B in place of sin C. So this is equal to 2 cos C minus sin A minus B plus sin A plus B. So this is the difference, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So this is 2 cos A sin B. This value is 2 cos A sin B. You can verify with, check it with the right side answer. So this is equal to 2 into 2, 4. ABC angle cos A sin B cos C. Cos A sin B cos C. This is right hand side. Cos A sin B cos C. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side, and it is proved. Now let us take up some more questions. Second, if ABC are angles of a triangle, if ABC are angles of triangle, then prove that first one, cos 2A, cos 2B, cos 2C, cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C minus 4 cos A cos B cos C minus 4 cos A cos B cos C minus 1. Now let us prove this one. Take left hand side and apply cos C plus cos D, and cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. The formula, both cos. This is the formula. So using this formula, cos C plus cos D, here 2 cos C plus D by 2 is 2A plus 2B by 2 cos C minus D, 2A minus 2B by 2, and plus cos 2C as it is. Now, taking 2 common, this becomes A plus B by 2, 2 into A minus B by 2. So cos 2C, you write cos 2C as 2 cos square C minus 1. So this is cos 2C formula. Cos 2C, cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1 using this formula. So cos 2C becomes 2 cos square C minus 1. So here 2 will get cancelled. So this is equal to 2 cos A plus B cos A minus B plus 2 cos square C minus 1. Now let us convert cos A plus B. Now cos A plus B, ABC are angles in a triangle. A plus B plus C is 180. So a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. So cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So write minus cos c in place of cos a plus b. Cos a plus b ante minus cos c avutundi. So this is equal to 2 into minus cos c cos a minus b plus 2 cos square c ante cos c into cos c. స్క్వేర్ అనేది 2 cos c లు ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 2 cos c కామన్ తీస్తే minus 2 cos c taking common, cos a minus b will remain. Here minus plus becomes minus, and 1 2 cos c, 1 cos c will remain. So remember this one, we are taking minus common, so plus becomes minus. So minus into minus plus. Minus ను కామన్ తీస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ప్లస్ అనేది మైనస్ గా మారుతుంది. Now cos c. So minus cos c in place of minus cos c. Again you write cos a plus b. ఇంతకు ముందే మనం ఇక్కడ రాసాం మైనస్ cos c అంటే cos a plus b or cos a plus b అంటే minus cos c. Again writing cos minus cos c as cos a plus b. So remaining as it is cos a minus b. So minus 2 cos c. So minus 2 cos c cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. If you add, it becomes 2 cos a cos b. This is the formula of 2 cos a cos b. ఇవి రెండు ప్లస్ చేస్తే cos a plus b cos a minus b 2 cos a cos b వస్తుంది. So multiplying this 2 into 2 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Cos a cos b cos c minus 1. So this is the required answer, right hand side. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Now let us take up one more problem. Second bit, cos 2a cos 2b minus cos 2c. Cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c. Previous all are plus, here the third term is minus. So if you take third term minus, the answer will be 1 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. 4 sin a sin b and cos c. In previous all are cos a cos b cos c. Now if you take minus cos 2c, you will get this one. So proceed as above. ఇంత ముందులాగా same left hand side and adding this to cos c plus cos d formula. Same, cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So using this one, this becomes 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 cos 2a minus 2b by 2 minus cos 2c as it is, cos 2 into a plus b by 2 cos 2 into a minus b by 2 minus cos 2c. Almost almost all the steps are similar. Now minus cos 2c, you write in place of this cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So this is 2 cos a plus b cos a minus b. So this, if you write minus 2 cos square c minus into 2 cos square c minus 1. 2 cos a plus b cos a minus b minus 2 cos square c minus into minus plus 1. Now, as a plus b plus c is 180 degrees, so cos a plus b is cos 180 minus c. This is minus cos c. Cos a plus b becomes minus cos c. So minus cos c into 2 minus 2 cos c minus 2 cos c into cos a minus b minus 2 cos square c plus 1. So now taking minus 2 cos c common, this is cos a minus b, and taking minus common, this becomes 2 cos square, 2 cos c, 1 cos c will remain plus 1. So minus 2 cos c. So in place of cos c, minus cos a plus b will be there. So cos a minus b, here cos a plus b minus cos a plus b. So this is minus. You see, if you take minus this side, cos c is equal to minus cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is equal to minus cos c, or cos c is equal to minus cos a plus b. ఇది ఇంతకుముందు పైన రాసింది. కాస్ సి వాల్యూ ఏమైందంటే మైనస్ కాస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి అవుతుంది. అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ కన్వర్ట్ కాస్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180 మైనస్ కాస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి, దట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ కాస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 2 cos c. The difference cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b plus 1. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. A angle, b angle and c angle. I am writing it in order. So a into bc or b into ac both are same. So this is the right hand side. So therefore left hand side is equal to the right hand side, hence it is proved. Now let us take up third bit, one more problem from the same condition. Cos 2a minus cos 2b, cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c. I am taking second term as minus. This becomes minus 1 minus 4 sin a cos b sin c. Sin a cos b sin c. Same. Take left hand side. This is cos C minus cos D. If you take cos C minus cos D, this is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So using this formula, otherwise you can take the last two terms, 2B plus 2C sin C plus D. That way also you can proceed. But I am taking first two terms, so it is minus. If you take 2B, 2C sin C cos C plus cos D also you can use. So now, so minus 2 C plus D sin 2A plus 2B by 2 sin 2A minus 2B by 2. Next, third plus cos 2C as it is. So this is equal to minus 2 sin 2 into A plus B by 2 sin 2 into A minus B by 2 plus cos 2C. You write cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta ki 4 answers rayachu. Cos 2 theta cos square minus sin square, 2 cos square minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square. So here I am taking 1 minus 2 sin square. In place of cos 2C, it is 1 minus 2 sin square C. 1 minus 2 sin square C. One minus 2 sin square C. One minus 2 sin square C. Minus 2 sin, if you cancel 2, it is sin A plus B sin A minus B. I am writing minus 2 sin square C, then plus 1. So you can write plus 1 at the beginning also. 1 minus 2 sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is my sin C. Sin A plus B is sin C. Sin A plus B is equal to sin 180 minus C is sin C. So writing sin C in place of sin A plus B, this is sin C, and sin A minus B as it is, minus 2 sin square C. Taking 2 sin C common, taking minus 2 sin C common, sin A minus B will remain. Here plus taking minus common, it becomes 2 sin C. So 1 minus 2 sin C. This is sin A minus B. Sin C, write sin A plus B. sin c ని మళ్ళీ sin a plus b గా రాస్తే ఇక్కడనే ఉంది పైన. సో ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ sin c అగైన్ రైట్ sin a plus b, sin a plus b sin c అవుతుంది, sin c sin a plus b అవుతుంది. మైనస్ 2 sin c, ఇది సమ్ ఆఫ్ a plus b a minus b sin, ఇవి రెండు ప్లస్ చేస్తే 2 sin a cos b వస్తుంది. 2 sin a cos b. Now this is equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 4 sin a cos b and sin c. So this is right hand side. You can check the answer. ఇది ఆన్సర్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మీరు చేసేది కరెక్టా కాదా అని చెప్పి యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఇట్ at any time. If it is not, you are not getting the right side, then you go back and check where you did any mistake. That way ఎక్కడైనా తప్పు జరిగితే మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి. సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు తప్పు చేయడానికి వీల్లేదు. ఆన్సర్ అనేది రైట్ సైడ్లో ఉంటుంది, కంపల్సరీగా రైట్ సైడ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి you can check it with right side answer. అది రాకపోతే ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర తప్పు చేసినట్టు. సో 1 minus 4 sin a cos b sin c, 1 minus 4 sin a cos b sin c. So these are very, very important questions. You will get one long answer type question from this exercise. So ఇవి solved problems and exercise problems put together. I am taking all the questions, similar questions at a time. So some are from solved problem examples and some are from exercise 6F. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and do subscribe and write your notes. Don't forget that you prepare your own notes. Thank you for watching.